Hello everybody, and this is how you breed dogs in Minecraft. So basically, you have two dogs, and then you use a bone. One bone. Yay! Well, he doesn't accept bones that well. So anyways, then you give the dogs cooked chicken, any type of food that has to do with meat, like steak, raw chicken, anything. So you use it on them and they will have it. Then you use it on the two dogs and then you let the two dogs go, and ta-da! You have a new baby as well. Hi! Oh, cute little doggy! So cute! Yay! Now he'll let me sit down. And that's how you breed dogs in Minecraft, and you have 3 dogs.